also to take this opportunity, which is not normal, but to introduce to you a lady I have known for most of my life. I met her for the first time swimming with my father, and my father told me, "This one looks good." And lo and behold, some 20 years later, it came to pass. A lady I've known most of my life, who has been my friend, my companion, steadfast supporter, a lady who is humble, quiet, but as I and my children can attest, also firm, and when required, very kali. So I have to be very careful. So ladies and gentlemen, I introduce to you Margaret Kenyatta, our patron for Beyond Zero. Karibu Margaret.
Your Excellency, all distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon.